Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting video to share with you guys. I received my PLUM paper planner in the mail on Saturday and I'm so excited. I have not opened it yet and I wanted to do that with you guys. So if you're excited, give this video a big thumbs up and then let's go ahead and get started. So here is the box. It is so cute. It's nice and thick and it's nice and heavy. And I did customize my planner to whatever I thought would fit my lifestyle. And that is one thing that I love about PLUM Planner. I actually found them through the Chicago Planner Conference when I went. They gave me some mock planners and I looked at all their layouts and I decided that I wanted to try it out. And I absolutely loved it. So this is going to be my next planner. Yes, I'm very excited. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm going to try to just lift it up like this so that you guys can't see my address. But I like customized from everything to the binding to the cover to the lettering, the font, the names, all of that. So here we go. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. So once you open it up, here is what we have. So you get the PLUM paper personalized for you by you. And then there is a cute little discount code right here. I'm not affiliated with them. I simply chose this planner for myself. But it says get 10% of your new product and purchase 3 or more accessories and get 20% off. No code required. So I guess you can just go on the website and check them out. Oh my goodness, look at how chunky it is. Oh, I'm so excited. I did get the 12-year or the 12-month planner because I do want to use it for as long as I can. So look at how cute this is. It's basically like a notebook. So here we have, it's water resistant, tear proof, rigid and sturdy. And then it has a year order and a year folder. Oh, if you want to give it as a gift, there's a little tag right there. Some little stickers. And then it says, care for your spiral planner. Oh, how to keep it clean, how to keep it cool, how to keep it neat, and how to keep it fresh. Oh my goodness, you guys knew I was going to have to do some kind of blue cover to it because blue is my favorite color. I love how chunky this is. Oh my goodness. Look at this, you guys. Look at that thick binding. I did the silver coil because I figured it would look nice. And then I did the cover with a quote. It says, there is beauty in simplicity. And then I put Ellie and my last name. And then at the bottom I put Planning with Ellie. That's the font I chose. And then it has all these beautiful florals. I love how simple yet beautiful it is. I love the color choices of the cover. And it has a clear plastic so that your cover stays nice and protected. So then once you open it up, it says daily planner. This planner belongs to, and then I'll fill it in for myself. That's what that back page looks like. Here we have the 2020 year-round view, 2021, and then here you got special dates. So I can put a list of all the birthdays in my family, special events, anniversaries, stuff like that, ideas, plans, and goals. So again, you get like the header and then you can make a list of things. Love that. Oh my god, this coil is beautiful. So here is the first divider. This is April. So again, I ran this from April to March. So that's exactly how far my planner is going to last me. And here's the April. So over here you have little circles, monthly highlights, birthdays, events, things to remember. And then here we got the April notes. Here is the monthly layout. And you get Good Friday, Passover, Easter. And then here is where you customize how you want your planner to look and how you want it to label your boxes. So over here for this page, this is what I decided to do. Over here I put important, that way I can highlight anything that takes extreme priority, whether it's an appointment or I don't know, going or emailing or a meeting or anything like that that I have to do. And then over here I have a long to-do list because I usually have a long to-do list on a daily basis. So I can just list everything I have to do for the day and then just check it off. Over here I have chores. I'm constantly cleaning my house, so I can put all of my chores. That was definitely a must. Things I have to buy or order. I normally don't have to buy or order on a daily basis, but it is good to put it on here so that I can remind myself like, hey, we're running out of soap, we're running out of toothpaste, or we need to buy this, we need cereal, and that way I can add it onto my grocery list. And then here we have a daily quote. I thought this was important. I've been doing it in my social media planner. I've been adding a quote every day, and I like having the quote there because I feel like it's been motivating me. I feel like it's been just a good reminder of what life is like and how it should be for me. And then over here at the bottom I put me time, whether it is to go get my nails done or to just sit and watch Netflix, because I have to remember that with my busy schedule I have to give myself some me time. So I just put it at this little bottom. I can put, you know, maybe take some time to just take an hour nap, or go to the store and just unwind, or whatever, go have dinner, go have lunch, go have breakfast. And that's how I have it, this layout. And then on this layout I have again the wait, what's going on here? Let me see. Oh yeah, this is a daily. I'm like, wait, why is it the same thing on this side? Because it's a daily planner. I decided that I'm going to be doing the daily, so I'm going to be planning on a daily basis. So as you can see here, we have like April 1st, April 2nd, and then you have April 3rd, 4th, etc. So that is how my layout is going to look from now on, and I just love it. So then if we go to the May, I think there's a little note section as well. So any notes that I want to roll over to May that I don't want to forget about, I can just pop them in my April. So here we have May. And then again, you get your monthly, and then same thing, order, to buy, to do, stuff like that. So I'm very excited. I feel like I still have enough room to add my washi tape. So I can add maybe, like, say I'm not using this important, I can add like a large sticker, and or maybe I just need these 2 columns and I can add some washi tape there. Or maybe I can add like washi if I don't need this entire column, or I can add stickers here and there, maybe a sticker here, a sticker here. And then maybe I can add washi tape right here, or maybe washi tape to break down these both columns. And then maybe I could do little thin washi tape right here, or maybe even washi tape on the border of the spine. That would be good. So trust me when I tell you, I thought about the entire layout. How would my stickers work for me? Because those are super important for me to have. And then just trying this whole daily layout, I think it's going to be good for me. I think it's just going to really get me into planning the right way for me. And it's just, I have so much room. I'm the kind of person that loves doing lists. So just, you know, having this list type of layout, I think it's going to work perfectly for me. So let me get it up close so that you guys can see. I try to fix my light so that there's no shadow, so hopefully it's working. And then here's June. And then I love that everything is like in a coral color. So again, if I don't want to add a quote for that week, maybe I just want to add a larger sticker because I need more room, something that has like a little note section, I can definitely pop it on there just to give it a little bit more color. Alright, so yeah, so everything is pretty much the same. You know, the color of the divider matches the color outline of the paper for that month. So I really love it. And in the back, it just has like the March notes, and then it has some bullet paper for more notes. I can even decorate it. And then it has contacts, passwords, and then it has the holidays. Lord knows I need that one because I always forget when they are. And then here we have like a little pocket folder, and then this is the back cover of this one. And then I can even add like a little patch or like a large sticker just to decorate it. I think that would be cute too. And I just love it, you guys. I think it's such a great planner, and I'm excited to use it. I'm going to go ahead and start just kind of like planning how I'm going to like work on it for April. And then this will be in the plan with me video. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Maybe I'll do like I'll put notes where on days that I know like I definitely have to do this or that. But I'm still gonna figure out as far as filming goes how I'm gonna do this because it is a daily planner. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated once I figure that out. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go check out Paper PLUM. I highly recommend it. I know Anna said she had a planner from Paper PLUM and she loved it. So again, not sponsored, but it's definitely a great planner and I think you guys should check it out. So as always, if you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!